Hello, I'm CJ Ian. This is a quick video to show how to make a photo into a shape in Canva. After starting Canva, we can go to choose a template to create a design. I will use presentation. Next, we can go to uploads and upload the photo. We can use upload file and upload the photo from your hard drive. Or we can use three dots menu to upload photo from your apps. I will go back and I have uploaded the photo before, so I pick one of them to select it to add the photo into Canva design. Next, if we want to add it into a shape, we can go to elements and then go down to bottom. We can find frames and then we can choose a shape of the frame. For example, we can go to basic shape. We can click CO to choose a shape. For example, I choose a circle, and then we can click and drag the photo into the frame to put the photo into a shape. Actually, we can adjust the size of the frame. I press Alt to enlarge it, and then we can double click to inside the frame, and then we can make a fine adjustment for the crop area. If we're happy with this, we can go to crop panel. We can click done. So this is how we can make photo into a shape in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CJ Ian. See you in the next video.